Hi folks, this is Brian here, and today I'm going to show the proper assembly of a Eureka REF160S. Okay, now after you take the product out of the box, you're going to have these pieces. This is the charger stand with your duster brush attachment and your crevice tool attachment, which conveniently fits in here. This is going to be your charger. This is the wall mount kit to mount the charger to the wall. Of course, your instruction book, your motorized power head, and the stick vac itself. Now there's no tools required. What you simply do, now I've already taken the liberty to put the brush in here and the crevice tool. They just fit right in here. And this snaps into here like that. Then you take your cord, undo the twisty tie. This plugs into your charger right here. Then once you've completed that, you take the unit itself, fold out the handle, lock it in, take your power head and lock that in. Now it's completely assembled. To operate, you push the power button, and it has two speeds. It has a high and a low. So that being low, well, there's low, and that being high. Turn it off, you just hit the top button. Notice your LED lights on the front, your spinning brush. Now to detach the hand vac, you push the button here, and your hand vac comes out. This should stand up. And you control the hand vac right here. Plenty of suction. You can then take your dusting brush, attach the dusting brush like so. Then your crevice tool, pretty much the same way. It only goes in one way, like thus. That stores there. To change the filter or clean the filter, you push these two side buttons. That releases your dirt tank. This pulls your filter out. You dump the debris cup. This is a little screen you keep hair from, clean the hair off around it. And this is your HEPA filter, which is washable. Of course, if you wash it, let it completely dry. You can spray it with an air hose also. And that just twist lock right in there. Little quarter turn. Set it back in here like that. To reattach the dirt cup, you put it in back first, snap down, go back to your unit, put the tip in first, snap it in. To charge it, you set it right like that on the charging stand. Of course, this will be plugged into a 110 outlet. And if need be, you can take these screws and mount this to the wall through here to stabilize it so it doesn't fall over. That's optional. But simply put, that's basically how you do that. So thank you folks. Everybody have a good day.